Welcome back to Connected Commerce, where we're hearing the stories of companies who are going global, facing the challenges of exploring global opportunities. Producing vinyl records didn't look like the future in the 1980s when record sales appeared to be on the way out, with music fans switching en masse to compact discs. But keeping production and expertise going at GZ, a small factory in the Czech Republic, proved a sound strategy. The revival of consumer interest in vinyl has left GZ as the world's largest producer of vinyl records, of which it expects to press 30 million this year, for everyone from the Rolling Stones and U2 to Lady Gaga and Madonna.
My name is Michal Sterba and I'm CEO of the largest vinyl manufacturing plant in the world. If we stayed as a wine producer only in the 90s, there would be no GZ anymore. So we had to diversify, and we diversified into printing and packaging. And we thought that's the future. What surprised us, that approximately in 2005-06, we started to see slow increase of demand for vinyl records. We were probably the first who recognized the growth of the demand and were not hesitant to invest. So we invested $20 million into expansion of vinyl records, and since 2011 we tripled our yearly output of our company. In 2017 we plan to manufacture close to 30 million of records.
This cutting lathe is used for preparing of metal master. It means the first physical representation of the grooves, of the sound, and these mechanical vibrations create the groove by vibrating of the diamond stylus, and these vibrations left and right, up and down, creates the groove during rotation of the disc.
We are a Czech company, but almost none of our products stays here in the Czech Republic. We ship around 20 pallets several times a day to the United States, and you have a cost connected with the shipment. We evaluated that being a company who can and will manufacture in North America is much better than staying here in Europe only. It's a huge learning curve. We are not a global company, and it is our first experience of manufacturing products elsewhere. So we had to really learn how to make things. There are a lot of different things in the United States. You need to find a material supplier, but the material is slightly different to the one you are using here. So you need to fine-tune and change the process on the standards of the local market. And the next thing, very complicated, is finding the right people. That's the key, because you can manufacture products, that's one thing, but the second thing, the consistency and the quality of the product is so important.
To stay competitive in this market, I think manufacturers will have to be really agile, because the customer base is a lot smaller than it was in the 80s. It's all about reacting to individual demands at different times of the year and reacting very quickly to get the content into the hands of customers as quickly as possible.
We do right now everything from 100 records for a small metal band from San Francisco up to 100,000 of records for new U2 album, for example. There are challenges and interesting requests all the way. The current release of Michael Jackson album, there is a request from a customer that the record will be glow-in-the-dark effect, so it will be shining when it's dark. To make a global business and run it successfully, I think there's one very important thing, and that's for any business, to listen and understand your customers.